All right, so this is question number 2 on homework 5.11. So over here, let's go take a look at it. So Kermit, can you read this for us?
Sure. I think you should pay me because you've been having me do this all day long.
Okay, maybe a little pat in the back.
Whatever.
Okay, so let's go ahead.
Solve. Write or draw to explain. Ava has 25 books. She gives away 7 books because they're boring books. And then Tom gives her 12 books. How many books does Ava have now?
All right, so what's the first thing we should do?
Let me look back at the problem. She has 25 books.
So over here, why don't you pause the video? The first thing you want to do is make sure you write down what you know. So go ahead, write down what you know from the problem. So pause it really quickly, and then you can play it. All right, so it should look like this. So Kermit's going to write it down for us. I'm not sure how he's going to write it. He volunteered to write it. Okay, so you're saying Ava has 25 books. Okay. And what's next? All right, well, you don't want to talk with your mouth full.
And then don't make me speak. What happened to my face? Yeah, fix that.
All right, so let's go ahead. Keep writing. Okay, so right here you wrote Ava has 25. She gives away 7. So what does that tell us?
I think we're going to be taking away. Because before she had 25, right? And then she gave away 7. 7 boring books because she was bored.
Okay, so why don't you go ahead, pause the video, and try to work it out. Or as you are working it out, well, as I'm working out on the board, or Kermit's working on the board, you could work alongside with Kermit.
Yeah, we'll have a little competition. Are you smarter than a frog?
Okay, Kermit, leave it to you to make it into a competition. Okay, so go ahead, work it out.
Now I want to ask myself, is there more on the top or more on the floor? There's more on the floor, so I need to go next door and get some sugar. You know, get sugar from your neighbor. Never heard of that expression? Okay, never mind.
Okay, so we go next door, and then we get 10 more. Right, so Kermit, good job. Okay, and 5 turns into 15. And then 15, take away 7, because now we can subtract since we went next door. Okay, so 15 minus 7. Think, Kermit, think. There you go. Okay. All right, so your answer should look, well, not your answer. We still got another step. So we have 18. So let's go ahead. We need to keep looking back at the problem.
Hey, I thought you said you were going to let me do it.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you. And then Tom gives her 12 books.
Okay, so Tom gives her 12 books. Okay, so if Tom is giving her 12 books and she has 18 right now, so what are we gonna do?
I think we're going to add.
Okay, so what are we adding?
18 and 12.
Okay, so Kermit, can you also circle the plus?
What for?
Well, it's to kind of remind you that's addition, because sometimes when it changes from addition to subtraction, it might confuse you a little bit. Just a reminder so you remember to add and not subtract. Oh, Kermit. Wow, you're doing a good job.
Wait, let me do something.
Huh. Okay, so over here we have 30. So Ava now has 30 books. So hopefully this helped help you with the homework. And let me know if you have any questions. So I will see you later.
Bye.